Today, an often overlooked bit of scooter maintenance. We're going to go to, excuse the dirt, this is used daily and this is filmed at the end of it, hence there's some oil on it. But yeah, we're going to change the gearbox oil today. Dead easy, 5-minute job. A couple of very cheap tools you need to swap the oil in the rear gearbox. Here's how I changed the oil on the Vespa ET4. So I've got a syringe and a rubber pipe. It's going to be a bit hard to do it one-handed. Yeah, but it's really hard to do it one-handed. Basically, you can see sucking the old oil out. Should be about 100 millilitres, so I'm going to empty this and go again. Got all that I can get out, so I'm just going to do the same, suck it out this oil jug, then inject it into the gearbox end till it's showing level on the dipstick. Now these syringes, I think I bought mine on eBay for a few quid, and then it's just a bit of silicone hose on the end. Dead easy. Obviously, by the book, there is a drain screw. Let's try and get it in video. So that's the actual drain screw. Mine's quite seized in, so I didn't want to go and shear it off. It's also very awkward to do with the wheel on without making an absolute mess, so it's just as easy to suck it out.